Welcome to Guided Meditations with Shree Dembla. This is a space for you to connect with your own self, to connect with your breath. This is a space for you to connect with the Mother Earth, the universe, and the divine energies. Release all the energy blockages that stops you from living a fulfilling and phenomenal life and receiving divine healing and powers from the source, from the universe, from your angels and guides, and so many magical beings that are here to help you. We are about to start a guided meditation. For this meditation, make sure that it is safe for you to close your eyes, as you will be closing your eyes. Make sure that you're all by yourself in a room and you're not disturbed for the next few minutes. You can put your phone on silent mode or the flight mode and just sit in a comfortable position. You can even listen to this lying down in a comfortable position. Make sure you have some water near you and you are comfortable. And once you're ready, you can begin. Close your eyes. Take your attention to your breathing. Observe every breath. Take a long, deep breath in and let go. Breathe in from your nose, breathe out from your mouth 3 times. And as you start breathing normally, observe every breath going deeper and deeper. Just expand your awareness. Just go beyond the physical body. Just be the energy, the infinite being that you are. Expand in all the direction, up, around, and below, beyond the room you are in, beyond the entire house, the city, the entire country, the entire planet, the entire universe, and all the universes. Expand in all the direction and allow yourself to connect with the energy of the universe and the energy of the Mother Earth. Allow the bright white light of the universe to flow all the way to the top of your head and through your head, through your crown chakra, all the way through to every cell of your body with a sparkle of fuchsia, bright pink light, connecting with the universe, the Mother Earth, and Archangel Jophiel. Beauty of God, as she is called. Allow yourself to connect with Archangel Jophiel and receive the vibration of beauty and also
the acknowledgement of the beauty you already are. Allow yourself to take your attention to your face. Now, if you look into the mirror, if there are any part of your face that you look and judge, today just release that judgment to the Archangel Jophiel. Ask the Archangel Jophiel to take all of those parts and aspects, or whatever it is, the judgment, just take that away. The more you focus on them, the more it expands. It's not that big a deal. Universe can handle it. Or any other part of your body. Just release all your judgments, all the self-imposed as well as the judgments imposed by others. Just allow all those judgments to release. Surrender all of that to the divine white light. Let the divine white light take care of all of that. And now allow yourself to receive bright pink facial, bright pink vibrations of the healing into every cell of your body. And acknowledge how beautiful you are. And everywhere you bought the lie that you are not beautiful, just allow yourself to release it. Let your mind travel back to the point of time when you were a young kid and someone judged you. Allow yourself to travel back to the point of time when you were a small girl or boy and you were happy, you loved yourself, and you were so proud of your beauty. And someone invalidated it. Someone told you, oh, you are not that beautiful. Or don't be so proud. Or you are not that good. Whatever it is they said. What if it was nothing about you? It had nothing to do with you, yet everything to do with them. What if they were actually judging themselves? Just release all those judgments and points of view. Let that young child in you know that you are beautiful. You were born beautiful. Allow yourself to travel to the point of time when you were born. It's okay if you don't remember it. Just imagine how would it be when your mom, when your dad took you in their hands, their arms. Such a beautiful baby. And if ever in this life or any other lifetime you bought the lie that you are not good, you are not beautiful, you are not wanted, just release it all. It's a lie. Angels love you. There are so many beings in the universe, on this planet, that love you. They feel so rejoiced. Just because you can't see them doesn't mean you don't have anyone to admire you. You have many, many admirers in the energy world. Allow yourself to receive their admiration, their love, their nurturing, their caring. Universe loves you. They all know you are beautiful. It's time for you to know it now. It's time for you to acknowledge it now. What if beauty is not what they show you? What if beauty is not having the figure that they show you in the magazines and TV serials and movies and advertisements? What if beauty is not about having specific features or a certain complexion? Those are just the definitions. They keep changing. What if you are blessed with true beauty that you are not acknowledging? Everywhere you're not acknowledging the beautiful heart you have as a valuable asset to have in this reality. And everywhere you're not allowing your real glow, your real beauty to shine, just release it all. Allow your real beauty to shine. Everywhere you only decided in this life or any other lifetime to never let anyone be attracted to you, and then you wonder, why is anyone not attracted to me? Just surrender it now. Be willing to be attractive. What if you have the power to choose who and what you attract? Allow yourself to be so attractive. Allow your light to shine bright. Never dim your light just because it is troubling someone else's eyes. It's not your problem. They should buy the goggles or the shades. You just shine bright. Even if it means you are pulling people's attention. Allow yourself to pull lots of people's attention. Be willing to be seen. Be willing to be admired. Be willing to receive and receive everything. Receive the compliments, receive the judgment, receive the money, the gifts. That is your true beauty. Irrespective of what size you have, what color you are, what color your skin is, what features you have. Be the vibration of beauty. Be the vibration of attraction. And now, just repeat with me. I am beauty. I am beauty. I am beauty. I deliberately said I am beauty and not that I am beautiful. Because when you go into saying I'm beautiful, you may judge yourself. But what if you are the beauty yourself? Beauty of God, beauty of angels. Archangel Jophiel is not beautiful of God. She is the beauty of God. And so are you. From today, beauty of God. Allow this beauty to shine, to be, and to spread. To the Archangel Jophiel, and also allow this beauty to just show up in everything you do. It's not just about the way you look. Let that beauty show up in everything, in your surrounding, in your house, in your everything, like even your pen and pencils and diaries, your clothes, your house. Let anything you do speaks of the beauty you are. Thanks, Archangel Jophiel. Thanks to the universe, to the beautiful Mother Earth. Take a long deep breath in and let go. Take your attention to your body. Be present with your beautiful body. And trust me, take all the judgment away. Even with all the flaps, your body is beautiful. Move your hands and feet a little bit. Rub your palms. Put them on your eyes. And slowly and gradually, just open your eyes.
Have some water. Stay relaxed. Make sure that you write your experience of the meditation. Journal your experience of the meditation. And if there is any heaviness that you're experiencing or any discomfort in the body, don't worry about it at all. It's only the energy, intense energy is releasing. It will be fine in a while. Just have some water and relax. And just share your experience with me in the comments below. I would also like to hear from you. What are the other areas of your life that I can contribute to through these meditations? This is Shree Dembla, and I am very happy and humbled to be able to connect you with yourself, with your breath, with your angels. And for more meditations, just let me know in the comments, and I would love to create more videos of these wonderful meditations for you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead and stay blessed.